Friends, I welcome you to today's session. Today we are going to talk about the book The Success Principles by Jack Canfield. From this book, today we will discuss only one principle, but this one principle or this one idea, or I would rather say this one universal truth. If it is implemented correctly in our lives, it can prove to be life-changing, and this one change will change many more aspects of our life, and it will completely change our life from a life of dissatisfaction, from a life of failure, to a completely happy and successful life. The author says, only one person who is responsible for the kind of life that you are living today is nobody else but you yourself. And the worst part is that we want to blame everybody else in this world. We want to blame every situation in this world, but the only person whom we never want to blame is we ourselves. So it is just like we have lost a key inside the home, but we are searching for the key outside the home. So friends, we need to understand that you cannot change the situation, you cannot change the circumstances. The only thing that you can change or improve is that you can change yourself, and hence you can improve and change the way you react or you respond to that particular situation. Here in this book, the author gives a very simple formula, that is E plus R is equal to O. E is the event or the situation that is in front of you. R stands for the response, the way you respond, the way you react, and O stands for the outcome or the results that you will get. Now we cannot change E, we cannot change the situation that is in front of us, but we can very well change the way we react, the way we respond to that situation, and hence this change in our response will completely change the kind of outcome or the result that we get. So by changing our response, by changing our reaction, we can completely change the result from the bad result to a good result or the desired outcome that we want in our life. Now here we need to understand one very important point, that why do we react in a way that we should not have done? The only reason behind it is that we are scared, we feel that it is risky. So we don't want to take the risk, we don't want to create an issue between us and with our family members or friends. We feel that if I will react in this particular way, that might spoil the relationship, I might lose my job. So what we do, we ignore the real facts and we don't respond the way we should have, we ignore it. And that is the reason, ultimately whatever result we get, that is the result that we never wanted. So what we need to do, and this is what most of the successful people do in their lives, they face the facts squarely, they accept the facts, they analyze the situation, they find out the facts, they accept the facts boldly and honestly, and then they respond the way it is required, even if that response is out of their comfort zone. Even if they feel uncomfortable, they know that this is the way I have to do. Even if I am uncomfortable, that doesn't matter. So that is what they do, and this is all what changes the outcome for them, and they get the desired results that they want. So we should stop complaining, we should stop blaming. If a person has cheated us, it is our failure, only we are responsible. We could not judge that person. We gave him or her the chance to cheat us, to fool us. So we need to learn from that particular situation and move on and improve ourselves. You might be feeling that this is not a very great thing, but let me tell you honestly that for next 1 week or for next 15 days, you do this. You take 100% responsibility of your life, blame yourself and nobody else, try to improve your response, and you will see dramatic improvement in the kind of outcomes that you will get. You will see a lot of improvement in your confidence, and hence your life will change in many ways. So I feel this point might have been of some help to you. I am very thankful to you for sparing your valuable time and for being with me till the end. Thank you so much. Best wishes to all of you. Bye bye.